Oh, that sucked. Ha! Finally! Ha! Got it. Boy, this is a tough one. Definitely required some patience. But this looks like it's a 1, 2, 3, 4. Looks like a 5, maybe a 6 pin. I think it's a 5. Chubb, sent to me by Capiche ages ago. Now it is key retaining when it's open, and the only way, as you saw, to close it and get the key back is to push a shackle and then turn the key. Locked. Locked. I'll open it again, show the key working. While it's in the unlocked position, you just can't turn the key. So, thank you very much for the lock, Capiche. This thing was a challenge for quite some time. I managed to get it a few times, but never could get it on video. And also, while I'm thinking about it, this was a tension wrench he made for me some time ago. I just never got around to showing it off. So I figured, since it was sent with this lock, that there was something to it for using this tension wrench and this lock. I don't know, maybe it's just because he made it and it was cool. So either way, real cool. Nice tension wrench. I don't know if my camera's picking it up or not, but there it is. Chubb Padlock, picked, single pin. Very awesome. A lot of deep set and spools, and just a restrictive enough keyway. It just made it a real bear to pick and get it reliably. And now I got it on video, so thank God. Anyway, have a good one all.